Hello folks, welcome back to the studio. I have a shirt with me on this occasion from the company Roland Design, and this really is a piece of me. This speaks to my style and my tastes in clothing. Drop a comment down below if you can guess what those attributes are. But this is the Roland Cerritos riding shirt. It's a little bit of a hybrid between a jacket and a shirt. It obviously has the same function and safety of a motorcycle jacket. It can be worn like a jacket if you'd like, but obviously it has the style of a shirt and the comfort and usability of a shirt. Now, even before I get onto the details of this, let me draw you in with the price because it is very well priced. It comes in at £159. You can also get it in a choice of either black or the sage colorway you can see here. And I am fairly predictable when it comes to my choice of colors. I do love an autumnal, and I do think this is a really nice looking shade of green. It has a CE safety rating of level A. It comes complete with armor from SASTEC. It's level 1 in your elbows and your shoulders, and it has a pocket for a back protector. The fabric they use on the outside is a polyester and nylon mix. It is tough, it is hard wearing, it is also really lightweight, and it has a kind of unique look and feel to it. It's got a bit of a soft finish. I really like the way it fits and falls when you're wearing it. And I think even if I wasn't told this was a shirt from Roland Design, I would probably guess because it has their kind of look and style, their aesthetic that I've come to recognize in their clothing. And that is to say, I really like it. They've got a great quality of finish. Little details like the snaps across this with the Roland logo embossed on them. You won't see a lot of branding across this at all, but the quality of the metal, as I say, is really nice. You have these snaps on the front to give it that shirt look, but functionally you have a zip underneath that for fastening it closed. It's a lot easier and quicker to use. You have storage, obviously. You've got 2 pockets on the front. You have a pocket on the inside as well. If you do open it up, you will find a comfortable mesh liner on the inside. It's going to be very breathable and obviously a good option if you are wearing it in the summer. Obviously, you can see what it looks like from the imagery, and you will know if that is a style that you like. When it comes to the comfort and the wearability of this, as with all motorcycle riding shirts, they're very easy and enjoyable to wear. Very hassle-free. In aid of flexibility, you will find pleats around your shoulders. I like the look of that as well, but it is functional as you're reaching for the bars. You'll find this has a slightly longer cut, and I appreciate that on the motorbike when you are leaning over the bike, especially the fact that it has a drop back on it as well. We have found sizing with this shirt to match what we would expect, and we have the size guide on the website if you need to refer to it. But to give you a specific example, the mannequin here is a 40-inch chest, as is Will, who you will see in the video, and they're both wearing a medium and it fits them really well. Have a little look for this using the links in the description if you want to. Pick one up for yourself. Just make sure there is at least one left because I do actually want to buy this myself. Let us know what you think of it in the comment section, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.